Alright, so if you follow the channel, you know we just did our whole unboxing and first look of Samsung's first party cases here. Well, it's time to switch it up and go third party with Pitaka, who has been around for a number of years. We're not sponsored by them. They didn't send us this. We purchased it. It is a little more expensive than what you'll get with any of these cases. However, thanks to the magnets, thanks to the slim nature and the materials here, this could be the way to go. This specific ultra slim case does come in two different colorways, one of like an orangey one, yellow, and then this one which is called like Moon Knight or something like that. Moonlight, I believe. But it looks really good in hand, and spoiler alert, here it is. So let me go ahead and move all these out of the way and we can jump right into this. So here it is again. As you can see here, it does say this is actually called Moonrise. That was the color we were trying to figure out, and I really do like the design here as well. So again, they've been around for quite a while, but we have not actually done a full review on these. Once we saw so much positive feedback on these cases, we decided to pick it up and give it a first look. And obviously right when you slide it out of the package, you're visited right with that nice case right from Jump Street. MagSafe Slim Board Module 2.0, made with amber magnet film technology, and nothing else obviously in the package, but here it is actually, and we can go ahead and pull that off, and look how just nice and slim this is. I gotta say, it is a nice firm case, super lightweight. Let's pop it right on the back here of the S25 Ultra, and there you go. I think that this is a nice alternative to all of those first party cases you saw. The colorway, the material, and fabric really do look super nice. One of my big issues with some of those Samsung cases is how hard it is to get out the S Pen because of how much it protruded in the case. Now, with a slimmer case, it is much easier to actually get to and use your S Pen easier if that's something you actually do benefit from on the daily. Aside from that, you're not adding a lot of extra girth or any issues outstanding with chargers not fitting the port. Thanks to the silicone or whatever material covering it, this leaves it fully exposed and ready to go if you ever need to just plug in and charge your device. One of the other big pluses here is that it does enable MagSafe charging. So if you are involved in the Apple ecosystem or just like those nonetheless, if you have some sort of accessory here, it will click right on the back as you heard, and has a great grip once it's actually locked into place. So not bad at all. This is a massive battery pack, so if you shake it hard enough, it will fall off, but you can see just how good it is working as you would anticipate. So let me pull this off. I definitely like this look. I'll throw those links up down below to pick them up on Amazon. We greatly appreciate it if you use them. So quick first look video for you guys today just to see what these Pitaka cases look like. Let us know, have you had any experience before with them? Do you like them? Is this going to be your next case? Let us know. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.